Okay, jolly jolly afternoon to each and everyone. Welcome here at Jolly Vida City Center, where we are here to celebrate a very special, very memorable, and of course, jolly birthday for our Vida Star. So my question is, who's our Vida Star for today? Sino po? Again, who's our Vida Star? Mahina, mukhang butog na. Who's our Vida Star for tonight? Juana! So before we start our program, I request each and everyone to please stand up. Please all rise and wear your party hats. Gusto mo pa yung mga party hats? Wear your party hats. Before we start our program, may I request Ma'am 3, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, did you get it? Very easy, right? Next step. Next step is also 2 repetitions. Only roll slowly.
7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay? Slow roll.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2,
Lahat pa sila.
7, 8. Okay? Third step. Third step. All you have to do is only put your hands up. First is right again. 2 repetitions. 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And 1. Okay? Can you do it? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dance? Yes. So we will do it with the music. Everybody clap your hands. Go! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Number 1. One more. Okay, one more. Happy birthday, Juana. In 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Mama. In 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! Isa lang sa palakpakan for our birthday celebrant. So, if you're wearing any red, yes, ang mga yung birthday. Kapita ng anak. You are from which part of the Philippines, ma'am?
Bicol!
Bicol! Where exactly in Bicol? Camarines, sir. I'm from Catanduanes. Yeah. My mama is from Catanduanes. They are, I think Camarines, sir, is pure Bicol, right? In Catanduanes, we are Bisacol. Bisaya and Bicol. Yeah. And how about you, ma'am? What's your name again? Ma'am Gina. So ano pong birthday message niyo to your friend, Ma'am Juana? Never grow up, just stay pretty. Yeah, so since you are the last two standing,
ganyan ang feeling kapag bida ang saya. Dito tayo, Crispy Licious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, Juicy Licious sa saya.
saya't sarap. Sige na, sayaw na.
Labas lahat ng titin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Kanya na